S Plus GPS Drone 8K Dual Camera, 5G FPV, 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance, brushless motor and optical flow positioning. The S Plus GPS drone is a powerhouse in the sky, designed for enthusiasts, creators, and professionals seeking a high-performance, reliable, and intelligent aerial photography solution. With its dual 8K HD cameras, 5G real-time transmission, brushless motors, and 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance. This drone offers the perfect combination of stability, clarity, and flight intelligence for capturing cinematic shots with ease. Foldable, lightweight, and packed with smart tech, the S Plus drone is ready to fly wherever your creativity takes you. Key features: 8K UHD dual camera system. Capture breathtaking aerial footage with the front 8K Ultra HD wide-angle camera, delivering ultra-clear photos and videos. The bottom HD camera provides additional perspectives and enhances hovering accuracy through optical flow positioning. 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance. Equipped with intelligent laser sensors, the S Plus drone detects and avoids obstacles in all directions within a 20 to 25 meter radius, ensuring safer and more reliable flights, even in tight or complex environments. Brushless motor power and stability. The high-efficiency brushless motors provide strong wind resistance, smoother operation, longer service life, and quieter flight, ideal for professional-grade use. GPS Smart Flight Modes. Never lose your drone with GPS-enabled features such as One Key Return to Home, Out of Range Return, Low Battery Auto Return, GPS Follow Me, Waypoint Route Flight, Fixed Point Circle Flight, Orbit Mode, Optical Flow Positioning. In environments where GPS signals are weak, the bottom optical flow sensor enables stable indoor hovering and low-altitude positioning by analyzing surface patterns in real time. Real-time 5G FPV transmission. Enjoy low-latency, high-resolution 5G image transmission up to 800 to 1,500 meters, depending on terrain and interference, allowing for real-time first-person view, FPV, through your smartphone or controller screen. Adjustable camera angle. Remotely control the camera angle, up to 90 degrees, to get the perfect perspective for landscapes, tracking, or vertical shooting. Great for real estate, action shots, and cinematic flyovers. Real-time 5G FPV transmission. Enjoy low-latency, high-resolution 5G image transmission up to 800 to 1,500 meters, depending on terrain and interference, allowing for real-time first-person view, FPV, through your smartphone or controller screen. Adjustable camera angle. Remotely control the camera angle, up to 90 degrees, to get the perfect perspective for landscapes, tracking, or vertical shooting. Great for real estate, action shots, and cinematic flyovers. Gesture photography and smart recognition. Use intuitive hand gestures to trigger photo and video capture within 1 to 3 meters of the drone. No need to touch your phone or remote. Checkmark long battery life and intelligent control. Fly longer with the modular lithium battery, up to 20 to 25 minutes of flight time, and take full control through the remote controller or dedicated mobile app featuring advanced flight modes. Foldable and portable design. The S Plus folds into a compact size, making it perfect for travel. Lightweight yet powerful, it avoids the hassle of registering in many regions due to its sub-250 g weight, depending on battery and build configuration. What's in the box? One S Plus GPS drone. One remote controller, with or without screen, depending on model. One obstacle avoidance module. One drone battery. 4 spare propeller blades. One USB charging cable. One screwdriver and screws. One user manual. One carrying case, optional. Smart flight functions. GPS smart return. Low power, signal loss, 1 key. Surround flight mode, orbit. Waypoint flight, gesture control, photo and video. Follow me mode, GPS based. Headless mode, altitude hold, night flight with LED navigation lights. App control with live FPV feed and settings. Who is it for? Content creators and vloggers. Capture stunning aerial videos for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Travelers and adventurers. Lightweight and foldable, perfect for your next outdoor trip. Beginners. Easy to fly with smart features and automatic flight stabilization. Professionals. Use for real estate, surveying, inspections, and cinematic projects.